What's the meaning of beauty? Beauty. Beauty.
Beauty. Beauty. Beauty is an abstract concept that has different meanings to different people. Generally, it refers to qualities or attributes that are pleasing to the senses, especially sight. Beauty can be found in nature, art, music, literature, and even in people. It can be subjective, as what one person finds beautiful may not be the same for another. Beauty is often associated with physical attractiveness, but it can also encompass other qualities such as intelligence, kindness, and a good sense of humor. Ultimately, beauty is something that brings joy, awe, and inspiration to our lives, making it an essential part of human existence.